Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. Today is just gonna be a small video to share with you about my new love for this beautiful yarn from Knitcrate. Have you heard about this company? If you do, please leave your comment below right now that you heard about this company or worked with this yarn before, because I would love to know how do you feel and what you have made with their yarn. I think they have different type of weight of the yarn. What I'm going to show you today is a DK weight, and it's just my favorite weight actually to work with because it's not too thick and it's not too thin. But before we dive into that, I want to let you know that today I'm going to do a giveaway as well. And if you really want to win these two beautiful blush pink color, just stay until the end because you can enter to receive these two skeins and the booklet from them. But now let me share with you a little bit about how I decided to do this review of the yarn. First, because I heard so much good thing about this company. Second, when I look into their website, oh my god, look at this. This is just the two colors and another two colors, and they have much more. And I think the beautiful thing about their company is that every month they have different yarn, and they have this like a monthly crate. I will put all the detail for you and that you can study and learn about their yarn a little bit, but today I'm just gonna focus on how does it feel to hold this yarn and a coupon code. Are you ready? Let's dive into this. Alright, so the first color I want to show you is this pink blush colors, and this is going to be also the giveaway for the winner. At the end of the video, I show you how to enter to get a chance to be the winner. The winner will get two skeins as I mentioned earlier. So what I want to tell you about this yarn, the detail about this yarn is that this is 50% alpaca, 30% merino wool, and 20% nylon. And you will need a hook size 3.25 to 3.75 millimeter. I'm planning to use either 4 millimeter hook or a little bit bigger. I will see what I'm going to use with this yarn. I also have a very beautiful hook, which I will talk about this in the next week review. And yeah, I want you to look closely. It's so beautiful, right? I have two skeins of this. By the way, one skein is 236 yards, 215 meter. This yarn you have to do hand wash only and flat to dry. And when you do hand wash with your garment, it also keep the life of the garment longer. So definitely listen to what it said. The second color I want to show you, no, first the green. I want to show you the green. You can see how the colorway is just fading, right? I have also two skeins of this green. The green one is called olive, and the same weight, the same yards and everything. So I have two skeins of this as well. One more close up look. Oh, the same color with the couch I'm sitting on. It's beautiful. And the third color is this one. It's also very beautiful, no? Let me see. It's called, maybe I pronounce it's not correct, mouse. Sorry if I say it wrong. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Yeah, something like that. So classic. I really love this kind of color as well because it's go well with many other colors, especially this fall. I already have something in mind, and I want to know what you have in mind for me making a new tutorial, new pattern to share with you. So I got 2 skeins of this mouse. This is how Thai people speak English. Okay, and now the last one. The last one is it's not quite the same. When you look from far away, you think it's the same, but actually it's not. This one called Ash. Look at these two. So beautiful together. So this is Ash, and I got 2 skeins as well. I got total of 8 skeins. I was thinking before to make a vest, you know, to make a vest like going like that and wrap, because I got one vest from the festival this year and I really like it, but I was thinking, it would be so good to make from crochet. So I was thinking, you know, like going like that and then wrap around the body, and then you have a little hood. That is one idea. I was also thinking that I want to have the back to be a flower of life. So this is one idea. But I want to know what is your idea. I'm keep looking at the screen because all of a sudden the color was super bright. So what would you like me to do? Do you have any idea? Maybe you just put down below and I would go through your comment. And now come to the giveaway. Dun, 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 dun. Are you ready? So for the giveaway, they're gonna win 2 of this skein and a booklet from Knitcrate. So to enter the giveaway, what you have to do is just so simple. First, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Second, comment below what would you like to see me doing with this 8 skein of yarn. And third, find me on Instagram and just comment in my latest post that you watched this video. Just 3 things. I hope you can do that. And for all of you that you want to have a 20% off, I'll put the link to Knitcrate and that you can find them directly to their website and use the coupon code Maya, M-A-Y-A 20. And then you get 20% off. And Maya have to be a big letter. And if you don't remember my name, which I'm going to be very sad. I will put for you down below all the detail that you need to know. Alright my friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just give it a thumb up and share with your friend, your family, and yeah, anywhere you want to share, you feel free to do that. And if you're not yet subscribed, I'm saying again and again and again, don't forget to do that and click that little bell. And I want to say thank you to this place. I know you have never seen this house before, right? It's just downstairs in my neighbor house, and she has this beautiful gallery. So definitely, if you come around here, come to visit us and let me know at once. And if I'm here, we can sit here together and have a tea. All right, see you later. Bye bye. Stay warm. I give you a cyber hug. I'm just able to set up this thing. Ooh, so cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead doing this, and I see you later. Bye bye. Enjoy your day, and don't forget to enter the giveaway to win these beautiful colors, pink, blush. I see you later.